Welcome to my channel. I am Anita Goa. So here's another crow in the crow family, and this one is side crow. I'm going to share with you how to set yourself up and how you can work on finding your balance in this position. I hope that you enjoy it. Do let me know in the comments how it goes, and I'll see you on the mat. All right, side crow, not an easy position to get in. It's an asymmetrical yoga position that requires quite a lot of arm strength and also some core strength, a little bit, but quite a lot of rotation, so flexibility in your torso. Being that it's an asymmetrical position, it can be a little bit challenging to find your bearings. The face is quite close to the ground, very similar to the baby crow, and then the legs, of course, are lifted off of the ground. So I like to access this one from a standing position initially, but now I'm also going to show you from a seated position. So if you start from, say, fierce pose, Utkatasana, and then you go into a rotation, and from there lifting your heels, and then you go deeper into the rotation. So you have to work the arm to the outside of the thigh so that you can ground your palms to the floor. Now you want to make sure that you're squeezing your thighs together and then draw the energy up through your legs. Then I lift my hips up high and I try to center my face right in the middle of the arms, so right in between. And then from there, I bend my elbows, I lower my face down towards the floor. And as I lower my face towards the floor, automatically the feet will start to lift off. They will. So if you are afraid of falling flat on your face, you could also do like I showed you in the high crow, put a block underneath your head. And if you rest your head on the block, then you might be able to then feel that connection to squeezing your legs together, drawing up into your core to then lift your feet off the floor. So I'll show you. So if I put my head on the block right here, then draw in, and then from there work on lifting the legs. And then of course from there you can then try to lift your head. Now you could also try to do this one from a seated position. So say for instance you're in a seated spinal twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana, twisted like this. Then you work the arm to the outside, and from there you could come up, and you might be able to access it a little bit better with the legs crossed in this way. So curl your toes under. You might feel like you can get that squeezing action a little bit better, and holding, leaning forward so you can lift one leg as you go forward. Then you lift the second leg. Okay? Yay! Then circle the wrists, maybe give yourself a little bit of a counter stretch into the wrists. So practice that and see how it goes. So just remember, center your head right in the middle, keep your elbows bent, lean forward, allow your face to go quite close to the ground, pull in through the inner thighs, through your lower belly, and then you'll start to feel that your feet will take off. And there you are in your side crow, Parsva Bakasana. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, you got something out of it. Let me know, and happy practice. Mwah.